sorry again. I'm just kind of sick. So, yeah, last video I showed that I have 5 more packs. So let's just open them. So one with Ronaldo, Griezmann, Vardy, and Messi. So 2 Vardys, 1 Griezmann, 1 Ronaldo, and 1 Messi. Let's just start with the Vardy one. Oh, fudge. Yes, so. I can't take it out. So we got Ali. Oh, a good one now. Hatem Ben Arfa. Yay, another finds England. That's another very good one. Losek. Gabriel. I'm not saying the second one because that's kind of bad. So I won't even pronounce that. Bruno Simpson and Perez. What is that? More than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 cards in each pack from now on. So that's a good pack. So let's just put the special cards here. So the last pack opening was sick. Yeah, so again the Vardy one. Okay. I can't take them out. Sorry. Okay, so another leg, yeah, where yeah. So Aspina, Kolasinac, Mercado, Rahami, Rever, Eder, and no, the defensive lineup from Barcelona. In the last opening I got one of them. Now I have 2 of them. No, come on. I'm not happy from that now. No, like, come on. I'm just starting my collection, and I'm getting with that. Okay, so now I'm opening just the Messi one. Ah, sorry. Vermanil. Oh, another multiple next generation from Ajax, Bridewald, and something. Oh, another very good one. Card of Gareth Bale for Real Madrid. Oh, Keylor Navas. Vidal. Barzagli. Morgan. Cubas. Domingo. Oh my god, that's another good. So Gareth Bale and next generation of from Ajax. So now let's open the Griezmann pack. Yeah. Sorry, I just can't find it. So Mesut Ozil, Eder, Arturo Vidal, Rafinha, Bizjor, Levchuk, Insarul, Martinez, and Dennis. So there only one special card here. Okay, and the last pack with Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah, so Okay, no multiples. Okay. Rafael Guerrero. Rojo. Another one. Another one from Paris Saint-Germain. Thomas Meunier. So 2 goals so far. Carlos Sanchez. Iker Casillas. Marcelo. Kuharczyk. Alario. And Albrechten. That's a good pack opening, believe me. It's a good... Look at this. Just look. Gareth Bale, Jakub Stanchak, Arthur Vidal, Thomas Meunier, defensive lineup from Barcelona, next generation from Ajax, the England logo fans card, and Hatem Ben Arfa. So that's a good opening. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. And I'll leave